Hey, it's Tim. Today we're going to be doing a regular fan. Well, they call it a relay, but it's actually a fan resistor. 2012 Grand Caravan 3.6, and also a coolant temp sensor for good measure. Let's get the original one. It's a TX195. Problem with this vehicle, this is the fan relay or a resistor. I call it resistor. That's what it does. It tells the fan when to come on when it's hot. It's got a thermostat in it, just like a blower motor resistor. This one had a problem of the fan staying on all the time. So there's the coolant temp sensor down here in the front. We'll change that in just a minute. We're going to do this fan relay resistor right now. And that you will need just a little flathead. You got little tabs right here. See your tab right there? Got a tab there, and then you got a tab down there. So just kind of push down on the tabs. I know my lights. Already got a good place for the light. Just kind of push down on the tabs like that. Push down on that tab, and you'll be able to slide it out in 1 second. That, and then we're going to change it. Alright, you just pull that one out. It just comes right out of that, and we'll snap it back into place. That fit in there tight, real tight. Then of course you just set it down in here with your marks inside there, and then we're going to do the coolant temp sensor, which is a 19 millimeter. We did that here in 1 second. Okay, on the coolant temp, instead of having to take every single thing off to get down to it this way, what I did is I just took a 19 wrench like this. I took a 19 wrench like this. Shine a little better light on it. And now you can see it a little better. I just took a 19 like this, and I just moved it where I wanted it. See, you can move it where you want it like that. Then I can get to the switch. And you get that push button switch, because they had it on the other side for some crazy reason. Now undo that switch, then you get a socket on it. So we're going to do that here in just 1 second here. Okay, now we'll get a socket on it like this after you unplug it. No big deal. Just kind of go round, so you get it kind of where it's, you can loosen it up with your hand. Give y'all a little bit of light here. If I can. It's hard to get a light in here good. Anyway, that's it right down here. Just undo it with your hand now, like that, and that's it. And that's your coolant temp sensor. And like I said, the new one will be a TX195. Make sure you always match them up. And of course, just put it in reverse order. Put it in reverse order of how you took it out. And put the switch back on, and I'm gonna tighten this up and we'll see how the fan works. Alright, fan's on. Like I said, you got a fan that's stuck on, or it don't come on at all. usually it'll start off by being stuck on. And these 3.6s Chryslers, they don't come on at 215, so be patient with them. Every single one I've done is 215 before they kick on the relay, fan relay. But that resistor or fan, it's under fan relay. If you look it up, when you go get the part, but it's a resistor. You know, it's judging on how hot that air is and cuts on the relay for the fan. So it's a resistor relay. But anyway, so it's your fan staying on all the time, or if it don't come on at all. But I changed the coolant temp sensor at the same time if it hasn't been changed ever, just for good measure. But the coolant temp sensor, you'll usually be able to tell if it's bad. It'll say it'll go into default. It'll say -40 on here when it's bad. But I like to change them anyway when I do it. Don't take but a minute, and you're already doing something, and that way you know they're both good. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on, Tim's Auto.